oni ma warrior untimi omuntimi tena warrior se 1 2 3 4 emani nyina jai Ebenezer adakwa yi adom o kuma se ameboa minim Ebenezer from 1985 ebesi ne oba o ware na one ne tena no one ne minim obinim. You can say negative things about Obinim. He got married to a very beautiful musician, Florence Obinim. You say Obinim and Florence, and I want to mention in case you are called about Fro, in case you are Jaya Warrior. And yeah, that's sorry, yeah. You don't fiki sofubi. Yenya gay sofu bi e Ghana ha gay sofu a akwaje akwanya free Benin at the brana nado. I'm saying it without fear or favor. Gay sofu a akwaje ababan at the brana na Kufuado. I'm in Ashanti regional capital Kumasi. I don't fear anyone. No Fiko, no Bagawaya. Atankuliga biga Mugabe Masi the Man City me and the coast. Na eno wate aya kingdom afami na class John Mahama my foot sa obedi NDC for atem so for wa po ho ya wanya cancer pastor o uso bimpa ana MPP for di nachi munafiki for no mo di nachi who say man no dey I'm in Ashanti regional capital Kumasi. Ya wasuwa no bema Mosini ba Mugabe Masi atankuliga biga yeto bawi amayira yeto bawi ajoma amalusu ya manyira na ena momo power ya ka 25 days ya mo free power no ena me Mugabe mayira ya ba hadi obayira ogana ha come December 7 2020 ya ba hadi obayira e ogana ha inshallah tankuliga biga Mugabe Masi ba mi si soma san maharam me so me magazine ha parifo mutia bebre ni me 1995 1996 na me ko secondary school na me so press and brush ha parifo bebre am ha mo ne me why ana adagini say on the 12th of November 2020 Rollins bewu Rollins is no more. And this is our founder, former president of the Republic, Yakari Revolution, the Killers, 31st December Women's Movement. Rollins is no more. Rollins is no more. Sa office here, why? Yeah, what a magazine, hey. I'm a panida that Rollins oba. I call garages. When I see garages, and then I saw me magazine acquiring Chairman Sambosu, the useless MP, Munafiki MP, Tampiri MP, Bagabiga MP, Chairman Sambosu, Bagabiga, Chairman Sambosu. Me kujina tuone tutu ne vesebetua. Tankuliga biga. Na omonam. Owusu bempa. Ya to abawia Mugabe betena Ghana me yawe wutumi we ya so okoke kosu he can't stand the fire. He can't stand the fire. And run pa me be PM I so me magazine be na JM Urban around by 9:30 na me wo ho to check the grounds whether good for John Mahama to come or not. With my 900 million angels. Baby, do you know? Musa baby, I then. BBC yana. What is a Mugabe? At the work for us. We are not in power, and this we are not in power. No Bagabiga Tampiri. Me for Tampiri ne kano no ko bisa ni echen Tampiri na se. Say or say Mugabe say me Bagabiga. Suffer our power. Useless suffer. Usubimpa. Nanado suffer. What? Kwachaki wu HIV status never bra ni hu. Kwachaki wu HIV status never betu ni hu. HIV di John Mahama tem. Say John Mahama ma fought because of Nanado and before so say be di John Mahama tem. Really say we know, but we will not sit down for useless people like Owusu-Bempah. So I suffer from Asoreben. Munafiko ka say chief imam, national chief imam Obewu 2019. Chief imam Tiasa na want Tiasa. Kufuor Tiasa na want Tiasa. Teresa Kufuor Tiasa na want Tiasa. Bawumia Tiasa na want Tiasa. Munafiki man. So for Ben na Ghana how about Kasa run Sibewu in 2020. So for Ben, yeah, ever two about America. Now what's of what people about to say? Donald Trump about winning. I didn't remember. No one said down was say, one Kasa now Kasa Donald Trump will be loose. Munafiki. God will never, Allah will never forgive you. Then pretty bigger, bigger again. Take it. Can I about to say Owusu-Bempah? Yeah, and then any one idea. So we will be a upon baby cancerous. I was cancer ambassador in the United Kingdom. Google and check. Me am a 40 some United Kingdom. Hey, House of Commons. And when I say you fear what you can now. Any NHS in the United Kingdom. They appointed me to champion cancer awareness for the Ghanaian community in the United Kingdom. 2012, 2011, 2010, 2011, 2012. Diana kwaso cancer. Wo bi anyakopon ade wo skin amawo. Me ma ward party say Owusu-Bempah. Say cancer na fo na dwenem. And Trump ba we ne etina webewu amen. One asoma. So for Ben na Ghana how am ka ba kira me say wo ka sa wo na sibewu ne. Munafiki fo. Komshani Muhammad said na wa wasallam. Yedi ya Muslimi for there. Say woda we sabo kumsua in less than 78 hours. I was say heading. Ija kwa mboko. Ye ko bisa wo say die na heading. Ekun. But ye won go fo bi ha. Wo mo say atames. Die na kun atames. Wo mo ma chire die kun Rollins. Owusu-Bempah mo. Who is in power? Die kun Rollins. I'm starting it from today. Atames who ya no. And before so they say die kun atames. Want to know what killed Rollins? They are in the helm of affairs. MPP, the Munafiki people. Bag a bigger form. That they feel say Asante belongs to them. When Mugabe no, you had enough other thing I want to meet him in Asante Riako Kipus. Brema ba wofie. Baba wone me. 1995 na me so paste and brush na me ba wadwuma mu otobi no ama me sika na me go school me go secondary school Adventist senior high no wato me for say me nyiri me hunsu ade we ya so sama afuto na ade ma me ne ma fa kanya me di ba do ba bia medro me tibi ko UK parliament na me deliver speech na David Cameron mo nyina prime minister fo nyina chi wonu mu heme live club 600 ashfum down higher makonta masalasa the late wo ye bo so me ba 9 years me 2 million na ma dan papa ya otime sabo ni fasui me hu no obi sa me hwa na sa baba wo se wo kai me se aba o na pep student ana na auto free me ho me bo aka chem se me bo e ba ko na timachi we second one masa muda the late Alhaji Papa me ma me o me offer ma kwa free ye Masa Kumi, Masa Siba, Masa Kuto, so inside from my magazine. Nenya sabe kofobi omo mo bra. Na ne omo sori a no mo kaseti ajo Mahama. Rollins awu. oni obi ata niema Rollins say ya dia ma Ghana no yetimi nyadan e kata so and also very soon you benya statement from the NDC yeah Excellency John Dramani Mahama obekate ne tono ebi obedi besti baby ya wodrum. Who was John Dramani Mahama? Who brought John Dramani Mahama into the limelight? Who? Rollins. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, useless Shamabi in the region, calling himself general in this region. Ah, who to be free Sasala Phony magazine? He's a Sisala man. One free Sasala Phony magazine. Sisala for you be omania bie. Sisala for Kesabasa Basa. Sisala for Buo. Who to me is a Sisala man. Ye pasa wadi nim DSA efeta edema asantemai. The regional minister, what is say Samawat? La ilaha illallah. Abraham me ya juma awon nananum FM way back in 2004, 2005, 2006. No wa ya juma ewo ADB. Goso. Ya me tu me na ma head na me si ma cheo. Me tu me na obe wo me kete za me nya small boy sa. Me tu me na ma ya dan ma kirisi. Na wa ya adwuma ewo ADB ewo Goso. Na me kai ADB for yaw. Abra na omo hono. Ene ma bebre esi ewo Goso. Presiding member near friend Anthony Yabua. Atroni fu kukuni ya. That day na me Wolande. On the 9th of April 2007. Ohene babu ma ba ne na aba no. Ana odo kwa oba no. Anya baga biga fo bi to say Mugabe yetu aba wi a ono osu be pase Mugabe be dwane afri Ghana. Ah, Nana ye wo power. Ana Nana do baje power in 2016. Mugabe adwane afri Ghana. Afria Nana do be free power no. Useless, occult, idiots. Biti se owusu be mpamo. Ya omunim nyame. Wa wori 9 agai 9. Tu dey imagine se wo kwa asori bi. Sofo no wa wori 9 agai 9. Sofo ekuro da 9. Sofo wo ye gay. Sofo a the HIV status of power metuga. Ogoye tax no for Brabontin. Sofo di tunumu sofo ye tunumu to wari anu wajai owusu be mpa. Wono be ka che John Mahama se oye obi a my foot. Ye no ane say na me. So amefo. Na ebeja munafiki wei. E wo Ghana ha. Sofo ni tinwi nyina etutuo. Ande owusu be mpa ni tinwi e dey etutu. Castros pastor. Castros. To come and tell Ghanaians say John Mahama my foot. Nana do na asomano. Who is that? Who is that useless man? Come on forward. And I will make sure say you go back right now. So go back here. Anyone who is a man say no attack me Mugabe is from a magazine. He should die. Make a wrong move and he will see where power lies. A fearless man, unbreakable, unstoppable. The whole Ghana, the award-winning talk show host of the year, political. Majita Tenasa defend the AG. There was why a bear man one pay okura two onto. But we say yes. So what to me na asoma where are your preparation ahead of 7th December? At the Kuliga Biga Mugabe Masi. That is why I'm here. If you are man, come forward. Whether you go back or not. Don't pay bigger. Baga bigger for. Come forward. Come forward. Then you go see powers. I'm fearless man, unbreakable, unshakable. and unstoppable. Nobody can stop me in this region. I was the key to my agenda and leave this region peacefully, inshallah. Nobody. Bagabiga, wana swamoha. Tempiri, wana swamoha. Come forward. Now come and meet me. Whether you go back or not. Who to me can send you. Sampan can send you. The regional minister can send you. Come, I'm waiting for you. Mr. Baby a horse yano. I want me ura. Maybe our first one called, second one, I'm about third one. Baga bigger for. If I might come forward. Now I had wanted to do this show inside the cemetery for people to see my powers in Ashanti region. Ma obi afa hu hye wo. Sa on the 7th December I want to mean there enkoto aba. And mama planning in Ashanti region so I say Tepa from place those areas ni nyina no ekura me. Useless people. Bukasa memu no. Ene area Asanteman and Asanteman de Kumasi de we are appointed kula na ojina man PP ebeto amon. Idiots. Some de na twam ebajimi bra. And obiti I am appointed no ba adwuma awoso me magazine. And then to free my appointed ba adwuma ade. Bo guamafo nyuma wa ha. You can businesses, sir. I'm a transport owner. I know what. Yeah, I better take will be to buy one truck. Sir, Juma Emano. Useless ones. My babla. Family and friends. Useless one from the top to down. Move 25 days to go. What they saying? Who should be Panama Panohono? That HIV man. Miss one funny status metro. I'm challenging him today. Upon the status, the HIV status, Emra out. Useless one. Shababi Amadono, and there I da. Meti did anyone matchino. Namakuma I has yes, one time sorry dinner honor. Me transfer I'm sorry, not just a meniabre. I'm not just any ordinary person you can attack. If you shoot, it will enter. I'm sending a signal to them. I'm Mosibiga. I'm a Tankuliga bigger. Listen to the word Atankuliga, Atanga, and Kuliga. You can't touch me. I'm unbreakable, unstoppable, and unshakable. Bagabiga Tampiri for. Sha 7 December, Moko Kotuaba. You found that, and then I will some na SC. Na Kabaya, that's it. Kebedi Kunimini and you found an